This will look a whole lot different. Whole lot different than the last time y'all seen it, right? Check this out. We removed that whole floor, pony wall down as suggested. Here we go. Here we go. Work in progress. Like I said, this whole process has been taking over a year. In the last 2 weeks, we've done some major damage. Check this out, though. That should not be happening. That should not be happening. So clearly there's some electrical issues that needs to be addressed, but we working on it. We working on it. Slowly but surely, like I said, this whole thing is a process. It's been a pain, but we doing what we gotta do, step by step, bit by bit. Tore all the drywall out of there. We had some water issues, so we had to make sure that there were no issues behind these walls, and we also need to replace some of these electrical conduits. We're gonna put some stuff in the ceiling, and yeah, it's been a process. And like I said, trust the process. The process must be trusted, and I trust it. That's a fact. I usually don't drink beer on camera, but I'm gonna drink a beer on camera right now because I just need one, man. So if you got one, crack one open for me. If you don't drink, get you some water, get you some apple juice or something. But let's get into this update. So the updates in general on this particular project has been so spaced out. I don't even know where we left off last, to be completely honest with you. I'll link previous videos, older videos that I've done as far as this basement renovation is pertaining. It's a lot. It's a lot. So it's been over a year. I'll give y'all the updates on price, updates on materials, updates on the blueprint, everything that we've been working on, everything that we've spent, everything that we've drawn up, right? All of the floor plans, all of the, all of the details, because I didn't have those before, and there's still some details that we don't know, but we're working towards it. We're working towards it. Y'all stay tuned. What do we have here? This look a whole lot different, y'all. It's the progress for me. I don't know where we going next, but what I do know is we got doors. Look at this. We got entryways. This right here is gonna be a bedroom. I just walked into a bedroom right now. I'm gonna walk out again. But y'all remember how this used to look. I'll link the videos of the previous progress in the cards for you to check it out if you haven't, but it's been a long time coming and we got so much further to go. Right now I'm in an actual bedroom that needs to be done. This whole thing needs to be done before 2022. We got more light. So the framing is completely done. I'm actually in a closet right now. I'm in a closet. So from here across and down, that's gonna be a closet part of this bedroom. We got a ceiling fan that's gonna go right there. Ceiling fan light combo. This is gonna be like a little play area if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure. We have a blueprint that we're following. Me and Kara's uncle taking this thing. He's the mastermind behind the whole thing. I'm literally just helping. Like all of this stuff right here is scraps and scraps that'll be upcycled and reused in the future. We can find something for it. Rest of that's garbage. Her uncle be like, you want to throw this away for me? I'd be on it. I'm like the apprentice of this whole thing. Now if you remember this wall right here was the one with the whole foundation issue, like the biggest crack. It was in multiple places. There's a second door. We got a door like this. This excites me. So this room right here, this is a whole nother room. We'll walk in here real quick. Try to be careful because there's a lot going on in here, as y'all see. This room right here is gonna be an office. It's gonna be an office. So this is gonna be Kara's office. where she can get in here, do her work, be out the way, and not have to worry about any other distractions that's going on around the house. That's a plus for both of us, because then I'll just take over the bedroom as my own office, and where I can shoot my videos consistently and not having to worry about transitioning stuff out the way. But back to this wall. We're gonna step back here. If y'all remember, it was a refrigerator right there, and over here there was like a bar / counter space right here. That's all gone, and the creative part about that is we're able to go behind here. So the fridge sets right under the stairs actually. And check this out. Come on, man. Measure it properly. Measure it properly. Come on, be precise with it. Not an ad. Definitely not an ad, but your boy's thirsty. Your boy is really thirsty right now, and I just want to show y'all the fridge at the same time. So then we go from here back around. Let me just scan the whole room for y'all real quick, because I wasn't even sure how I was going to record this, because it's a lot going on in a small space. The floor here is raised, as you can see, so we're going to bring everything up to this level. So exactly where my foot is, step down, we're gonna raise that, and then we'll lay the rest of the floor. So the floors will match the floors that are out on the other side. So we have these vinyl planks right here that'll be installed, and you know, got a bunch of those, got a whole bunch of those. That's really what's next. The Menards special right here. Still got some more electrical work to do up here. You see there's still work to do up there. And a little more patchwork, so vents, more lights, more duct work, a couple more spots over there. But we're moving and grooving. I couldn't be more excited, man. This thing has been a work in progress, to say the least. So we'll go here, bedroom, office behind there. That'll be like a living area, so y'all can kind of see where the walls are gonna go. This area where I'm standing is just gonna be a playroom, and up here, this is the funny part. It's hard. It's even hard for me to see some of the stuff until things come closer and closer together. But this rectangle here, we're gonna mount a TV right there. So right there where the TV is, you know, turn around, and we'll have a seating area right there. So there'll probably be a couch, some type of sofa we'll put right there. This light is finally working. I don't know if y'all remember. This the one that was flickering and having all those issues that wasn't supposed to be going on. That's taken care of. Still had to be put up, but we got some other things to handle before we get to that point. It's looking real good, y'all. So as I mentioned, we have the whole floor plan laid out. There's gonna be a bedroom, there's gonna be an office, there's gonna be a living space, lounge area, and then there's gonna be a play area. That's all we're concerned with. There was gonna be a kitchen in here, but there's no point. Like I said, we're not gonna be here for long, but the way the housing market is looking right now, we're gonna be here a little longer than we thought we would, so we might as well get a little comfy, right? Even if it's another 6 to 8 months, even if it's another year, I'm fine with that. We're saving a lot of money. We're coming out of our pocket with a lot of money, and here's some updates on that. So as far as this entire renovation, like including everything back here and everything that's been done already, there's been stuff done on the outside, there's been stuff done. It's just been a lot done. It's been a whole lot done. So we're out of pocket right now for just a little over $8 grand, which is nothing in the grand scheme of things, because one, we're resourceful. Two, we know how to shop, right? We know how to shop. We do a lot of cross-referencing between different hardware stores. Menards typically has the best prices around us, and we're also savvy. Like, so we've been upcycling, I guess. Upcycling a lot of things, reusing a lot of wood, reusing a lot of conduit, and reusing even screws and nails. Like, we've been real scrappy, real resourceful with this project, and I'm enjoying the process. Yes, it's taking a very long time. Like, I could have called a construction crew out. We need this, and this, and it would have been done probably 8 months ago, but it would have been way more costly. And at this point, it's all about saving money. So the time issue is no big deal. I have savings goals I'm trying to reach. I have investing goals I'm trying to reach. The missus got savings and investing goals. Like, we're trying to reach that together, right? We have Parker, who's gonna be 2, which is crazy. She's gonna be 2. She needs and requires a lot. I have something else that I'm gonna share with you guys in the future that, you know, we've been spending on, and how we pay for this whole renovation for a company to come in, we wouldn't have been able to do half the things we've been doing as far as leisure, as far as activities, as far as things that Parker needs, even for ourselves. Like, I treat myself, as y'all know, I treat myself every now and again. Like, I'm not completely depriving myself, but I am spending the bulk of my money on the things that matter most. This basement renovation isn't cheap, so I'm spending the bulk of my money on that. I'm still investing in the markets on a monthly basis, right? I'm still putting money to the side for other things. So I'm living on that many funds. I'm living on that many funds, and it's okay. I understand what works for me, so that's what I'm doing. I get called cheap still to this day, all the time, but it doesn't bother me, because I always come here and let y'all know there's a time and a place for cheap. There's a time and a place for frugality, which I think should be all the time. You know, you could be the richest man in Babylon and you could still be frugal, right? You're not just gonna pay top dollar for something just because it's top dollar, right? I don't price shop, I value shop, but at the end of the day, I'm still trying to figure out where I can get the best bang for my buck. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, we're $8 grand, just over $8 grand into this renovation. It's taken a little over a year to get done. We should be done before 2022. That's the goal, before 2022. And it's a huge reason why we're a lot more urgent now than we've been in the past. If I'm being honest, we did drag our feet a little bit. Life keeps happening. Life continues to happen, and it's never gonna stop happening, but I'm never gonna stop moving, right? So if I take a few steps back, like I always preach, I'll just keep pushing forward. Life will push us back from time to time. Life will push us back, but we have to keep moving forward. So like this video if you like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also follow me on IG, Q Makes It Happen, on Instagram. Go show your boy some love, man. I got some important announcements. I've actually announced them on my IG already, but stay locked into my Instagram stories. I reveal a lot of other things. I'll be bringing them onto the channel as I'm able to upload more videos more frequently. Drop Q Crew in the comments if you made it to the end of this video. I go by the name of Q, and like I always say, if Q can make it happen, you can make it happen. That's crazy. You can make it happen. This new camera, I'm still trying to get used to it, y'all. I'm still trying to get used to it. So y'all rock with me while I figure this thing out. We gonna figure it out slowly but surely. I'll let y'all.